Hey y'all, today we're talking about glassware made in the USA. It's been about 4 years since I talked about this topic on the channel, and we found a lot of new great American manufacturers, plus some good old staples. Glassware is one of those categories where there are a lot of local artisans and glass blowing shops doing really unique pieces all across the country. And just like other categories like pottery that I've mentioned on the channel previously, I bet you'll find some pretty great stuff in your neighborhood if you just take a look. Now, I don't have too many notes on material sourcing here. Glass is pretty simple. It's sand, soda ash, and limestone, all melted down and readily available in the US. So all of our updated research is on allamerican.org, where we are adding new great American-made brands that we find all the time. So I encourage y'all to check that out. I'll put a link to it in the description below. So let's dive into these great American-made glassware brands, including a few that I bet you never heard of before. But first, let's start with a couple of classics. First up is Anchor Hocking. Anchor Hocking's been manufacturing glassware right here in the USA since 1905. You may know them for their bakeware and their glass storage containers, but they also make a wide variety of drinkware, everything from your kind of everyday glasses to more barware, coffee mugs, pitchers, and a whole lot more. Each category comes in a wide variety of patterns, sizes, and designs, so you should be able to find something that suits whatever you're looking for. Next is Liberty Tabletop. Now you're probably like, Mike, Liberty Tabletop makes flatware. Yes, that's true. They are the only flatware manufacturer that's made in the USA, but they also have a great selection of glassware that's all American made too. They have basic glass tumblers, wine glasses, champagne flutes, and a lot of other styles. So definitely check out their inventory. I'll link their website in the description below as well. Next up is North Drinkware. North Drinkware is based in Portland, Oregon, and makes some really cool hand-blown whiskey and beer glasses that have a 3D mountain carved into the bottom of the glass that basically is the same topography as mountains like Mount Hood and other places around the US. They're a relatively new company. They got started in 2015. Their glasses are a real eye catcher for something that's truly unique in your drinkware cabinet. Next up is another classic, Libby. Libby's been around since the early 1800s and has a really long history in American manufacturing. The company recently went through some financial trouble. They actually filed for bankruptcy in 2020, so they're owned by a different holding company now, but they still do some American manufacturing, although not everything in their product line is American made. What you want to look for here is their signature collection. That's all of their American-made stuff. I link to that page on their website directly from their brand profile on allamerican.org. So once again, I'll put a link to that in the description below so y'all can check out their American-made collection. Next up is another staple, ball mason jars. Ball mason jars are obviously great for pickling, but honestly, they're just good everyday drinkware in my opinion. I have a bunch in my cabinet. They're super versatile. Now, I won't belabor these folks too much. Y'all know what a mason jar looks like, but they're a great addition to any American-made kitchen. Next up is Ben Shot. This is a small manufacturer in Wisconsin that puts a pretty unique twist on their glasses. They actually indent their glasses with different objects like bullets, golf balls, and other little trinkets that make for a really nice statement piece in your barware. What's also really cool about these guys is their glass workshop actually got started on the old grounds of a furniture factory that Thomas Edison, yes, that Thomas Edison used to own. The old workspace and the surrounding woods seemed like a great place to make unique glassware, and that's where they've been ever since. Next up is Blanco Glass Company. Now, if you're looking for some colored glass options in some really unique styles, definitely check out Blanco. They were founded in 1893 and hand make all of their glassware in their West Virginia-based factory. They have really vibrant colors and kind of a mid-century modern style feel, so if that's your vibe and you're willing to pay a little bit extra, Blanco is definitely worth a look. And the last one I'll mention in today's video is Terrain Glass Company. Terrain Glass Company was founded by Colin O'Reilly in 2015 after settling down in the Blue Ridge Mountains area of North Carolina. They have a super local supply chain, so all of their glass is sourced from local materials from a company called the Spruce Pine Batch Company that's just down the road from them. They have a ton of barware that is all really elegant and, in my opinion, has a really nice personal touch to it, so I definitely encourage y'all to check them out. Alright y'all, if you made it this far, thank you so much for sticking around. It really means the world to me and all of these American-made companies that we work hard to feature. So make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. It really helps us out at allamerican.org, and I will see y'all in the next video.